behavior of the pitch as the game progressed? Did it work out like how you anticipated, or were there any surprising elements?
First of all, thank you so much. We knew that wicket was slow as when they were batting, so we could tell. And our plan was to encash the first 6 overs. Unfortunately, we lost 2 wickets, and things went a bit slow at start. And then we knew that, of course, we're chasing a big target, so we have to hit boundaries, and we all did a great job.
Did you think 180 was a power score?
Yeah, like we knew that wickets are getting slower in the tournament now, and 180 was a good score, good fighting score, and that's why it went till the end. And because ball wasn't coming that fast, it was stopping a bit. Yeah, yeah, it was stopping a bit.
Could you also give us a word on your innings, the first for you in 13 seasons of the IPL, 3 big knocks in a row? What has worked for you in the recent times?
I was always focusing on my process. Even before these 3 knocks, I was playing quite well. I was timing the ball nicely, and I stayed positive and confident that I knew that I had lots of experience behind me, and I'm gonna change the numbers as well, and that's happened. And every time, of course, I'm scoring runs. At the same time, I'm making mistakes. So I was analyzing what to do, what shots to bring in, what not. And especially with that experience, I pick and choose what shots to play or what strategy I should use in different kind of pitches. Yeah. So that's why it worked for me.
The equation was relatively comfortable going into the last few overs, but how difficult was the Sam Curran over?
Yes, Sam Curran over, he bowled very well, and his Yorker execution was really good. And but we knew that last over Bravo cannot bowl, and we knew that Jadeja gonna come. So as left-handers, we had that advantage, and of course it's a bit of a small ground. And I would say that half and Dew was also there. So as we kept wickets in hand, so it got we took the advantage of that thing as well.
Akshar Patel had a great day with the ball and then finished the game with some great hitting as well. Can you talk about how crucial he has been to the side?
He's been always a great asset to our side, and whenever we demand that he has to come and bowling, he'll come. He's quite economical and always take wickets. And even with the bat, like today, how he came in that over, he just took the game away from CSK. And of course, having that quality all-rounder makes a huge impact on the side. And glad that we got a very complete side as well.
And the last question for the day. How much confidence does such a win inspire? 7 wins out of 9 and a playoff spot almost sealed. How does the team plan to maintain consistency?
It's a great feeling, and of course, the best thing is we're playing very good as a team. Everyone is performing, and not particular individuals, but everyone is doing their job. So that's a great sign for us, and we all stay hungry, and we all make sure that we focus on the process. Now we won the game, we'll forget this, and we're gonna come fresh. And so we guys make sure that we stay fresh as well, not overdo something in practice. So next day we get a bit tired, so we're keeping a good check on it. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Vikas. Thank you.
Thank you.